Hello Trend Jumper members. Today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to select and trade your Trend Jumper pairs. You can put it on almost any pair on a daily chart, and again you're going to look twice a day. Step one, you should put it on any chart if you have a favorite pair and go ahead and look back in time. Count the wins and losses. Now TJ has done a YouTube video from one of our Hangouts, and he basically has done some of your work for you, but that really is not enough. You still need to have your own back testing, that you know how many losses in a row, what does this mean. So I'll put the link into the YouTube video, but I'll show you here quickly what those pairs are. And I have some of them here on this screen and some on the other, but these are obviously some good ones. Maybe they're not the best. Like, take a look at this Aussie New Zealand. You can just look at this. You know that you had some great trades, and then what? Got in a little bit of consolidation. Luckily, it didn't hurt you too much. You had one win, one loss. Then you had a nice little small short winner. This trade held on but ended up losing. So a couple losses. Now you've had a long above this swing high and above the moving average, a short. None of those is triggered in. This long from yesterday potentially triggering in. So maybe this pair has still got a little bit of consolidation, but when I show you results on this, it's going to be really good. So is this a good time to get into this? Yes, this is a fine pair. But just notice, that. Look at the Aussie dollar. Again, coming off really nice moves, a little bit of consolidation, but that's okay. You hit first target, you hit first targets, you hit another winner. You didn't trigger into this long, you did not trigger here, and then now you're in your fourth long. You're probably only still in 3, but anyway, you've got a total of 4 signals. So again, is this a good opportunity to get in? Yes, if you can get in this long, then jump in. So let's go ahead and take a look at now it's a little grainy, but again, you can watch the video. Here's the pairs that on 12 pairs he recommends. Why does he recommend them? Because he's been testing them himself, what you should do. You see, one of them was kind of new. He doesn't even have all the numbers for 2012. But this goes on, and he shows you positions, over here up to 2013, and this was about 3 months ago. So I believe one of the pairs, it did have a number of months where it was down, but you can see the total for last year, all positive, all good. So just write these down. Trade maybe half of them, maybe a few more. Trade 8 of them. That's it. So again, I'll provide you with that YouTube link. What do? Again, when the bar closes each night, you're going to look and you place this order. So I would place the order right out here to go long. My stop is down here, and I've got targets, 4 positions, a target at each one. Target 1, target 2, target 3, target 4, right? So every time I hit a target, I can then move my stop up, right? And hopefully by the time I hit that target, we'll be close to break even. This trade, again, it's already hit target 1, it's already hit target 2, actually it's already hit target 4. So what's this one doing? This one is trailing, and here is the stop. Let me put an arrow right here. You're just trailing the blue dot or the dashed line if you don't have the Pro calculator. So again, all of these are trailing, and this is where you make most of your money on these moves. So don't sweat a loss or two. But any one of these pairs, Aussie CAD, look at this. Beautiful, move south, beautiful move north. So anyone, Aussie Yen, really nice trade. There. Was this a loss? Did you have a loss? Yes. This trade lost. This trade did not trigger in. This trade did not trigger in, so therefore you only had one loss. And now you've more than made up for it on this winner. Did these trades lose? No. Why? Because they hit some of their targets. They all hit at least second target, and you trailed out right here. So just read the plan. Again, all of those trades made money. This trade made money. Did this trade lose? Yes. So again, don't be afraid of losses. They happen. Did this trade lose? No. So that's it. So just pick all 12 of those if you like. It's a good mix. The euro yen been a little bit tight. You know, this trade lost. But these two trades here, well, actually, no, sorry, another loss. So you're getting really discouraged now, aren't you, right? This trade, this little blue trade, lost. So let me zoom this one in. So you can see. This trade triggered in and stopped out on that next day. So then you went long again the next day. Did you quit trading? No. And you've already hit target 1 and target 2. Did this trade lose? Yes, but that's okay. This trade didn't trigger in. This trade won. Really nice. Look at that. Okay. This trade really close to target 1 on a pretty good trade. You might consider that in your trade plan. That's close enough for me. You know, 10 pips, 80%, 90%, 90% of the way. Okay, maybe you'll go ahead and then start trailing. So again, this pair obviously hit first target, hit that one stopped out. So the euro yen's been a little bit challenging. So maybe if you want to skip a pair, skip the euro yen. It's got some pretty good sized wicks. But you backtest this pair. Go back 2 years. It doesn't take long on daily charts. Go back to last year and you count all this up from December last year, and you tell me if this plan made money. A couple losses, nothing big, but you tell me if this made money. If it did, you know it's a pair you want to trade. I'll leave you with the YouTube video, and again, that's how easy it is. Good trading.